stop scrolling for a second, because people are literally selling wooden resin wall art for $5,000, $10,000, even $25,000. And the crazy part? Some of these designs are actually beginner-friendly. Today, I'm going to show you 10 wooden resin wall art ideas that not only look premium, but can actually help you start making money from your creativity. Welcome back to DIY Woodcrafting Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship. And make sure you stay till the end, because idea number 10 is one of the most profitable ones right now. Let's get started. Number 1. Ocean Wave Resin Wall Art. You've probably seen this one everywhere, and for good reason. Those flowing blue waves, the white foam, it instantly gives that calm, beach vibe. Honestly, this is one of the fastest-selling designs for living rooms and bedrooms. Number 2. Geode-Style Resin Art. Now this one looks expensive, like something straight out of an art gallery. Bold colors, metallic gold or silver lines. And the best part? You don't need to be a pro to create this effect. Number 3. Abstract Color Flow Panels. This is where things get interesting. You just pour the resin, tilt the board, and let it flow naturally. Every piece turns out unique, which actually increases its value. Number 4. Mountain Landscape Resin Art. This one is personally one of my favorites. Using natural wood grains as mountains and resin as sky or rivers. The result feels warm, natural, and premium. Number 5. Glow-in-the-dark Resin Art. Okay, this one is seriously cool. During the day, it looks normal, but at night, it glows. And that instantly turns it into a conversation piece. And here's the interesting part. The next few ideas are the ones people are actually paying premium prices for. Number 6. Resin Mandala Wall Art. Detailed, artistic, and super eye-catching. These designs attract people who love spiritual and decorative patterns. Number 7. Minimalist Black and Gold Resin Art. Simple but powerful. Clean lines, black base, and gold highlights. This style fits perfectly in modern luxury interiors and sells at higher prices. Number 8. Personalized Resin Name Art. This one sells like crazy. Names, quotes, special dates. Anything personalized automatically increases emotional value, and that means higher demand. Number 9. 3D Layered Resin Wall Panels. Now this is where things look next level. By layering resin, you create depth and a 3D effect. It almost looks like a premium gallery installation. Number 10. Epoxy Resin River Wall Art. And here it is, the most profitable one. Inspired by river tables, that flowing resin between wood slabs creates a stunning centerpiece people love to buy. If you're serious about creating and selling projects like these, make sure to check out my website, woodcraftingideas.com. I share more ideas and inspiration there. And I've also added links in the description to help you learn woodworking step by step. If this video gave you value, hit like, share it with someone creative like you. And don't forget to subscribe for more powerful woodworking ideas. Keep creating, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.